My people, on a good morning, or good afternoon, on a good evening. Or today at the for location. The location when I come monitor installation of aluminium stucco roofing. When one of our viewers from the talk show give Oga aluminium make it do for years like monitor for today. In front of me, now the Oga Bidis. Oga, good evening.
My people, now good evening. I greet you now well for the time we'll be so now today listening to us. So.
Me want to talk to you. So my name is Saboyan. What is your name?
My name is Kwele Osemege, who I know as God sent aluminium.
Okay, what are they here? Now the work we one of our viewers give you now come monitor for today. You will take me around the work, whether I don't finish or you see they on it. Before they take me around the work, okay, aluminium, I wait to go let our viewer when they patronize you. Through this our channel particularly, we will give you this job.
I go thank our viewers who be say if they patronize me well. I go thank una because una do well for our body. At least when una sit they give us work, at least our life does it better. So I thank una well. Even especially this one where be say he call me give me this work. I say God go bless him. Anything we put on, it go better for him.
Amen. So our viewer, before you give them for our client work, you have to call our number today on top of this video. So okay, before we start, no say now you see do the wooden work.
Exactly.
So we will start from the woody. You go tell our viewer the number of wood we enter this the amount when they sell them.
My people, una good afternoon, una good evening for the based on the time we be say una tell they listening to us. So now me do this wooden work we did this house. Now me still do the aluminium work we see they go on. So wait till the wood we enter this house now and the name give una so in case una see get this kind one una see know the kind way una see take buy wood. So this wood also we use a 2x4 for year. The 2x4 we use for year so now 400 pieces because the ass big well it's now see and say it long. So if you get one what they call 2x3 will be say 3x4 will be wall plates. So that 3x4 we use 50 pieces for this house because the ass big well. So we still use the one what they call 2x3. So 2x3 for year now we not too many now 100 pieces now we use based on say that one we know the two we need them for house like that for our cars in a stucco-coated the roofing now we want to do. So we still can use the one what they call 2x2. So that 2x2 will enter this house now 650 pieces. So now day here. So my people may I say they name the price based on say you know say things don't see change for Nigeria based on the way it is still be. So that 2x4 when I talk just now they sell them before 2,300 but you don't see it go up so they call they sell them 2,500 for better wood. So why the 3x4 when I see they talk just now will be what play they call they sell that one for 4,500 for better wood. So they consider they sell the 2x3 we still there here so they sell them 2,200 for better wood. Then the 2x2 we still there they sell that one 1,300. So now we take buy the wood we be say a day here so.
Okay. Okay, aluminium man, like this I say the height very high. Like how many heights be this roof?
This roof way this now 20 feet now we put on.
Okay, 20 feet. And that one they call send down the rain.
Exactly. Yeah, well because now the way the owner ten need down so now so we take do one for them.
Okay. And the accessory we not to work for this woody now. That is the name. The name
we use for so we use 4 inches. We still use 3 inches. The 4 inches we use now 2 bag. While the 3 inches we will still use now 2 bag. And they say need now 15,000 per bag. So if you use at times the bags where we use, you'll get the amount.
Okay. Like this the wooden work. Your labor for this wooden work now, how much?
My labor for you now 350,000.
Okay, 350,000. So we'll go to Stucco-Tech roofing, what we know as Shingles, Sabi?
Yes.
They call them metro
ties.
Okay. Like how many meters of this Shingles enter this building?
My people, the meters we enter this house now are 750 meters.
750 meters
because the house big. So now it's make a reach like that.
Okay, this Stucco-Tech now, like 1 square meter now how much?
1 square meter for Stucco-Tech now like this shingle we be say we use so the square meter now 4,300. and they sell them for the now.
Okay, for now, because I
don't increase. We they buy them before. We they buy them before 3,850. So
okay,
now
3,850.
So now you don't see it go up. Come be 4,300.
4,300 times 750
meters.
Wow. Nigeria, everything they go in, as they go up, they come down. When shall God go help us? You go see Brigham come down. Like the accessory we enter.
The accessories we enter this house, so 60,000. Now we take buy both name and the get the way with the one what they call sealant. The gum will be say we they use they follow them.
Okay, sealant.
So
gum.
Where would they use they follow the stock-coated at least. As they do and you hold on for one in case of anything, you quick use and take maintenance. So everything now 60,000.
Okay, like they see this long span, they see step ties that they get grade or say 0.8. This one get gauge like that.
No, I'm metro. Or stock-coated, you not get grade.
You not get
because now different pattern. Now they see the whole first talk on before.
Okay.
They see Shingles, they see classic, they see bond. So different this thing I use the different pattern. So now say city cost pass each other like this Shingles what we use. So we see cost pass that classic. So why the classic now and bond now, all those one are still the same price, but this Shingles so it costs past that classic.
Now the same company they produce all this very work. I mean a different type of company.
Now different company now they produce and I see they sell them for years. So now I make they talk and just fair they talk and say the one way me for buy.
Yes.
See the price where they sell. That is the company when I for they buy my own.
Yes.
So while other factory, other factory still they will be say their office they lesser. But you get the one will be say me no say I get guarantee of when I feel they use for my customer. So now there I for buy the one will be say I know say you know go fuck me up anytime any day. So now they use so.
Okay, like this one what they use so
exactly.
Say, as you talk and say if you want one we go fuck your customer up. Like this one not go leak.
No, no go leak. So if you even get anything, I make us with the carry that gum we they use just now. Okay. So in case anything they will use and take maintenance. So you not go get issue.
Okay. Like how much be your labor when you do this?
Like this stock-coated now, you know say things don't still go up. So as they go up now, so our labor see they follow because people will see they use they work. So now the labor don't still go there 350 naira per square meter.
Okay. So you say how much you talking about?
350 naira per square meter. So you can use and times that 750 square meters. So you get the price of the labor.
Okay, so. Of the labor. I know you roof the house with woody and the normal stock-coated roofing. How much your cost you now when you be able to do this?
Like if like the wood and this stock-coated what they do so the money will cost you na 5.8.
Both the woody and this stock-coated.
Both the woody and the stock-coated 5.8.
Okay, my people, where this has the compound long, so aluminum was supposed to take me around. Fine. After I talking about me go by myself, show them everything. So, okay, in case of order for our viewer come across this work through our channel, they get exactly like this building. The same price we take do here, you fit do that one.
Exactly. As far as I say now, the same building will be say the same price will they go because of except things can see go up. You know, say Nigeria things not they stable. So except it still go up, now it go make the price still go up small. But if you see the balance as the way it is, so the same price will still go with doing like that.
You could call your number when I have to reach you.
My people, my WhatsApp number now of a call so now be 08094336330.
On that one they will have
another one still they will be soon after reach me which is 08121150612.
I want to show now as the work they go on. Wow, my people, may I show now the preview of the work, where the work is and far from the fence. So I want by myself waka. May I show now. So any work give any of our clients, our viewers, we as an Edo Talk Show team with the call they monitor the work. No matter where the work there, if you don't worry, Lagos, Otaikoto, we must come check the material, and we still check the gauge. Like this one don't get gauge, but I'm normal as it all as a Shingles. So now them long span, step ties, let's go. Now that one get gauge. We know say 0.5, 0.55, 0.50, but this one here it comes normal as Shingles. So the work almost done. People did. So my people, I greet you by the time I watch this video.